Virgo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or 100% accurate para sa'yo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung energy or messages for you for the month of October 2024. For Virgo, please, Virgo. Virgo. October 2024. October 2024. Okay. The Magician. Okay. Magiging confident ka for the month of October, Virgo. Meron kang kakayahan or abilidad para tuparin kung ano yung mga pangarap ninyo or kung ano yung goals. You are manifesting your dreams. You are making things happen. Okay? Be confident, Virgo, sa inyong sarili or sa inyong kakayahan. Okay? Magkakaroon ka ng isang or magkakaroon ka ng willpower, no? Or passion sa isang bagay. Gamitin ang inyong talino if you are going to make a decision, Virgo. Be passionate at the same time. You are capable of making amazing things, no? Virgo. The positive ones, of course, not the negative. Okay? For some of you, you are a decision maker. Meron kang decision na gagawin. Okay? Yeah. So, it is asking you to be smart, to be wise, no? And kailangan maging balanse sa inyong pag-iisip, no? Yeah. Lalo na sa paggawa ng isang desisyon in the month of October 2024. Tingnan natin. Energies and messages for Virgo, please, for the month of October. Virgo. Virgo, please. Virgo. Energies and messages for Virgo. Okay. The Lovers. Meron kayong mga desisyon na gagawin, most especially when it comes to your relationship, no? Intimate relationship or with your partners, okay? Yeah, merong uncertainty in your situation, parang hindi mo alam kung ano yung gagawin, okay? But at the end of the day, magkakaroon ka ng isang magandang idea, okay? At resources to make things happen, Virgo. Okay? For some of you, parang pagod na kayo sa inyong ginagawa, sa inyong mga responsibilities and obligations. You are stressed, no? Pagdating sa health or sa inyong sarili. Yeah. Parang you are saying no, pero you are not giving up also. Yung iba sa inyo, you are setting boundaries. Okay? Parang mas alam mo kung ano yung mas makakabuti para sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. May darating na grasya or malaking biyaya para sa inyong Virgo. You are looking forward to it. Okay? There is an ending of difficulties, no? Sa inyong sitwasyon, sa work mo man to or sa inyong kaperahan. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan ninyong gamitin ang inyong intuition, ang inyong pakiramdam if you are going to make a decision. Kailangan, it's going to be a wise or a smart decision para sa inyo, okay? Or para sa isang sitwasyon, okay? Yeah. King of Wands, focus on your target, focus on your goals, no? Be confident and creative sa inyong sitwasyon, Virgo. Okay? Yeah. Meron kayong don't give up. Merong pagsisiyasat sa sarili, no? May kailangan kayong tingnan, mga pros and cons okay, sa paggawa ng decision. You need enlightenment, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, parang you need time and space alone. Parang ayaw mo makipag-communicate, ayaw mo lumabas, no? Yeah. Kasi meron kayong mga concerns para sa sarili ninyo. You are thinking about yourself, about the future, kung anong mangyayari sa inyo ngayon, sa masusunod na araw, linggo, buwan, okay? Or years, no? From now. You're thinking about that. The Hierophant. Yeah. You're thinking you're thinking about stability in your situation, about sa inyong kaperahan, no? About sustainability in the future. Yeah, for some of you, you are making a decision, no? Parang ngayon, nagja-juggle ka, parang ang dami mong obligations and responsibilities. When it comes sa gastusin or sa kaperahan, you are budgeting, no? Up and down, okay? Yeah. So, parang you are managing, no? For some of you, you are managing well your money or your resources. Okay? You're thinking about stability. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you want to pursue your dreams. Meron kayong mga plano or ambisyon. Parang nahihirapan ka sa sitwasyon mo ngayon kasi parang hindi mo magawa. You're thinking about it, okay? Pero tahimik ka lang. Hindi mo sinasabi, hindi mo sinishare. Okay, you're keeping it to yourself. You're thinking about a company, an institution. For some of you, yeah, because you're thinking about work, about stability. Okay? Not only for the present time, kundi para sa mga susunod, no? Na panahon. Okay? Yeah. You feel, pakiramdam mo, parang nag-iisa ka or you are left behind. Okay? Parang gusto mo nang matapos ang sitwasyon ng paghihirap. Okay? Na parang feeling mo wala kang magawa. Pero may mga blessings, despite sa ganitong pakiramdam mo, merong mga blessings na dumadating sa inyo na parang hindi mo napapansin. Okay? You are guided spiritually. For some of you, merong kang blessings na matatanggap, may gifts or something like that, support from the universe, no? Yeah. You are spiritually guided in this situation. Parang hindi ka nag-iisa, Virgo. Yeah. You are feeling bored for some of you. You feel na right now, parang walang magandang nangyayari sa inyo. Okay? You are looking forward for a change, no? A big change. From darkness to lightness, something like that. Okay? But you know, nasa isip mo lang yan or pakiramdam mo lang yan. But physically, everything is okay in your situation. Meron kasaganahan in your situation. Okay? Or kaliwanagan. Meron kang kakayahan para gawin kung ano yung gusto mo. It's just that you are feeling let down. Okay? Feeling mo lang. Pero merong mga opportunities at offer or nasa paligid mo. Parang hindi mo lang tinitingnan or binibigyan ng pansin, Virgo. Yeah, for some of you, you are a mother. Okay? You are expecting something like that or you are pregnant. Okay? Yeah. You are someone with full of creativity. Madami kang ideas, no? Isa kang maalam na tao. May kakayahan, talented, you are beautiful, okay? You are nurturing. But yet, deep inside, you are feeling like this. Yung parang feeling mo, you are not doing well. Okay? So, pakiramdam mo lang yan. Hindi mo nakikita kung ano yung mga blessings na nasa paligid mo. Okay? Ace of Cups, we have the Ace of Earth and the Empress. No? Ayan. So, parang lagi kang nasa isip mo, Virgo. Yeah. Meron kang, feeling mo parang nahirapan ka, you are uncertain sa inyong buhay or sa mga susunod na araw. Feeling mo parang nahirapan ka, but you are not giving up. Meron ka ding angking kakayahan or tapang, no, to move forward sa buhay mo. Okay? Pero, merong pagbabago na mangyayari sa'yo. Pero, kailangan mong tulungan ang iyong sarili. Okay? Kasi, kung ano yung iniisip mo, ano yung pakiramdam mo, yun yung nagmamanifest. So, yun yung nagbablock for you to proceed further, for you to succeed, for you to prosper. Yeah. Yeah. Or some of you are lazy to do something, para kang tinatamad. Okay? May mga opportunities or mga ways sa paligid mo. Pero you're not also taking action. You're not making use of it for some of you. Because nakafocus ka lang sa disappointment or sa kawalan or simply tinatamad ka lang. Okay? You are bored. Parang, you're not that excited. Pero, you have to let go of that. You have to take action. You need to stand up, get up, no? And get dressed, okay? Be abundant. Merong abundance at kasaganahan na parating sa inyo, Virgo. Okay? Do not dwell or focus sa insufficiency because you don't feel well, you feel let down. Wag kang mag-focus sa ganyang sitwasyon or sa kanyang bagay. Yeah. No, yeah, may mga kailangan kayong desisyon na gawin eh. Mayroon kayong mga pinag-iisipan, may mga choices also. Pero tinitingnan mo kung ano ba talaga yung tama para sa inyo. But remember, meron kang kakayahan, no, to make things happen, to make your dreams come true. Okay? Feeling mo lang ito na parang wala kang kakayahan. Okay? Pero subukan mo i-try gawin, tumayo ka, gumawa ka ng aksyon, no? Kahit mahirap, sige lang, move lang. Move forward lang, take action lang. Okay? 'Di ba? 'Yun yung tinatawag nila na nasa tao ang gawa, nasa Diyos ang awa. Or try and try until you succeed. Okay? Things like that. Very common, no? Pero it's true. Okay? So, focus. You have a lot of ambition. Actually, fortune is on your way, no? It's coming. Okay? Yeah. Virgo, yeah, for some of you, you want change in your situation. Parang feeling mo, luging-lugi ka, pagod na pagod ka, nahihirapan ka na sa sitwasyon mo. Parang ang daming deception or mga trials, paghihirap, difficulties, sufferings, no? In your situation. So, you want to get out from this. You want a change of lifestyle, something like that. Yeah. You feel powerless. Yung parang feeling mo hindi mo gawa. Pero sa isip mo lang din to. Ito sa isip mo lang din to. Although physically, you feel pain. No? Na parang napapagod ka. Yeah. So here, be creative, be ambitious, take action. Kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Okay? Yeah. Focus. Kung meron kang kailangang pag-aralan ng mga skills or courses, you can do it. No? Meron, as I've said, meron kang magician. Meron kang kakayahan. You have the talent. You have the skills, no? Yeah. Okay? So, have fun. Parang wag yung parang bored ka or tinatapat ka. Parang sinasabi din sa'yo to na kailan mo ging magsaya. Kailan mo rin, you need some time to have fun. Okay? Additional messages for Virgo. Broom, new home, new attitude. Yes, bagong attitude, new home. Baka kailan mong baguhin ang inyong behavior or attitude or yung inyong mindset, no? Ear, good news. See? Good news is on the way. Fortune is on the way for you. We have the sun, happiness and well-being. Okay? So, Virgo, that's good for you. Tingnan natin. Practice, practice, practice. With daily practice, you can polish your skills and talents and increase your confidence. See? So, it's like a confirmation ng inyong reading. So, take action, practice, no? Develop or nurture your skills or talents na meron ka at gamitin mo to your favor, to your advantage. Okay? Na pwede mong pagkakakitaan or make use of your time. Okay? Business venture, trust and follow through on a new business idea or career opportunity. Okay? So, siguro parang binibigyan ka din ng pagkakataon para makapag-isip kung anong pwede mong inegosyo, no? Or pwede mong gawin na pwede mong pagkakitaan. Autumn. In the fall season, everything comes together and you reap wonderful harvest of abundance. So, may parating na abundance sa inyo, Virgo. Okay? 2, 3. Mga 2 to 3 seasons from now or 2 seasons from now. Virgo. Words of abundance. You have the ability to instantly manifest abundance by choosing powerfully positive words. Always describe your own and the world's economic situation in loving and optimistic terms, and that is what you attract for yourself and others. So be positive, be optimistic, Virgo, even in your thoughts and in your words, so that para yun din yung ma-manifest mo or mangyayari sa buhay mo or sa sarili mo. So speak words of abundance. For Virgo, please, Virgo. What areas of your life are you avoiding? Are they causing you upset, worry, disrupted sleep? If so, these are the areas you need to focus on. As much as you don't want to, it is necessary. Tackle your demons head on and don't allow them to rule you for a second longer. So, release, no? From obsession or addiction, yung mga negative thoughts, kung ano man yung mga worries ninyo, parang nagiging toxic yan sa inyo. Okay? Let go of toxicity, toxic in mind and in thoughts. Let go. I-release mo yan. Alright? So, these are the messages for you, Virgo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. All the best and see you on the next video. Bye!